I am trying to bring spring to the girls, okay? I am bringing spring to the girls in this yellow dress. Tell me I'm not. Tell me I'm not.
Yeah, gurus and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I 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 always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say you didn't.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Reshine Hair. Shout out to you, Reshine, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Reshine Hair 40-inch long Mongolian curly hair wig, water wave hair, human hair HD lace front wig. Okay, so I don't have this unit in 40 inches, child, okay? But I do have it in 28 inches, honey, and that's saying something for me, okay? That's a lot to me. I'm not the tallest person in the world. I'm 5'4", so I don't know where 40 inches would be on me. But I don't know about 40 inches. That's a lot of hair. Okay, so this unit does come in 10 to 40 inches. So if you want that 40 inches, girl, get it. the wig cap is, mine is a 4x4, but this unit does also come in a 13x4. And the densities that are available is 150, 180, and 250. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think they sent me 250, but you guys will see it somewhere on the screen. But you can also get this unit in 150 and 180. So they have this unit in transparent lace, HD lace, and brown lace. You can choose what type of lace you want. And then you can also choose what type of hair you want. You can get Brazilian, you can get Peruvian, you can get Malaysian, you can get Mongolian, and you can get Indian. You choose what you want. Now, what I got, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to say I got Brazilian, but I could be wrong, sis. Okay, I'm just going to go with Brazilian. I don't know. I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. So, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, y'all, okay, one side did tangle a little bit. This side over here, the right side, it did tangle a little bit, which I expected. But this side, it did not tangle at all, honey. And that was even after me tweezing it a little bit. All right, I was like, come through with the come through, because these sorts of units, I always expect to tangle a little bit, to shed a little bit. Now, I did shed a little bit, but it wasn't like super crazy, and it only shed like while I was brushing it out so I could apply my product. But child, I was a little shocked. I was a little shooketh, honey. Okay, now as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. But I am an average cap size, so girl, you know what I always say, honey, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? Because I'm purely speculating, but I do have this cap like crisscrossed in the back, so I'm going to say it's more so on the big head friendly side than not. But like I said, that's purely speculation. Now, as far as this unit being pre-tweezed, I did feel like it was pre-tweezed, but it could have stood to be pre-tweezed a little bit more. And I did want to go ahead and let you guys know that I did decide to bleach the knots. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, my con with this unit is, child, I'm just gonna throw something out there. I don't feel like the unit was tweezed enough, and I do feel like the parting space could have been a little more open. So those are my only cons that I could think about with this unit. And I'm literally just throwing some out there at you, girl. Okay, I'm just throwing some out there. Okay, so yeah, that is my con with this unit. My pros with this unit is, first of all, look at this hair, okay? And she thick. She's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, I am a fan of this sort of hair, especially like this season. I try not to play with it too much because I want to keep that sleek sort of look. But yeah, so yeah, I love the texture of it. I love the length of it. I love the heaviness of it, because it is a little more so on the heavy side, because if I'm not mistaken, it's like 200% density. But I love all that. I love all that for me. So yeah, those are my pros. So, would I recommend this wig? Yes, especially if you are a beginner and you're looking for a nice beginner-friendly unit. I always feel like closures are just great beginner-friendly units. And with curly hair, I just think curly hair is beginner-friendly in general because it doesn't take a whole lot. You know, like all you got to do is, you know, put a little water on it and apply your products, and it's a wrap. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you guys my full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a look. Let me know down below what you think about my baby hairs. I haven't really been doing baby hairs lately, so I was a little rusty, but I decided to throw them in there, okay? Throw them in there just for y'all, okay? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Reshine Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the product I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.